Hey everyone, it's Pierce Neeb with MarineMax Jacksonville. I have something super exciting to share with you all today. The first is going to be this Premier Pontoon. It's a 23 Sunsation. It's able to carry 12 of you and your best friends or your family members. You're also going to notice very plush, very comfortable, beautifully stitched couch-like seating. The next is going to be the in-floor storage on this boat. This is something really incredible that you're not going to find as far as width and storage space in the other pontoon lines. Additional storage up top. It's going to come with the 7-inch Simrad along with your Clarion stereo system. The 2 bucket seats, and as we move further to the back, you're going to find more storage in the seats, more room for you and your friends. It does come with the bimini top, and of course on the back the Mercury 150. That is a 4-stroke. It's going to give you all the power you need on the 23 Sunsation. So if you are interested in something like this or would like more information, you can feel free to give me a call at 904-707-1023.